This is the stuff that came out of the print head when I was trying to do my second print, and it kind of ruined it. Then I discovered that this is where that white stuff is coming from. It's like in between the heatsink and the nozzle heater block there. There's also obviously something wrong with the temperature reading coming out of here, because it shows it on the screen as always being at 358 degrees, which I know it's not. It's been off overnight. So if I am to try to print, I'll show you what happens here. Or not print, I just want to preheat it so that I can print. Okay, preheat PLL, preheat PLL, and PLA, and then this is the error that comes up immediately every time. So I'm locked out. Please help.